How to transfer photos from iPhone to Android. So let's get started. Just like Google Drive, Dropbox is another cloud platform that comes with 2 GB free storage. It means you can upload up to GB of photos on the Dropbox app and download them on any device using the same account. One key advantage of Dropbox is its compatibility with all types of devices including Samsung, iPhone, and web browser. So, start by installing and opening the Dropbox mobile app on your iPhone. Then open the folder on Dropbox where you can like to store the files. Tap plus upload photos on the bottom. Then select the desired photos and hit next. Tap upload and wait for the photos to load. Now, open the app on Android and go to the specific folder and start downloading the photos. Make sure that you use the same Dropbox account on both of your devices. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.